Abacus AI versus PoE. Which AI tool is superior? I'm going to tell you about Abacus AI and PoE, and which one might be the superior tool for your AI needs. Abacus AI is built for developers and data teams. It helps you train, deploy, and monitor custom machine learning models. With automation baked in, think end-to-end MLOps in one platform. PoE, by contrast, is all about AI chat. It's a multi-bot interface by Quora, letting you talk to GPT-4, Claude, and more in one clean space. It's great for testing ideas, drafting content, or comparing model outputs fast. So which is better? Abacus AI for building real ML systems, PoE for fast, flexible conversations with AI. Different goals, different strengths. Pick based on what you're building, models or messages.